Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make coconut flavored Abele walls or ice cream and custard flavored ice cream or Abele walls. And I hope you will enjoy this recipe and I hope you will enjoy this sweet and creamy ice cream. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment if you haven't done so for more amazing videos. So to start with, I have here full cream milk powder, shredded coconuts or desiccated coconuts, condensed milk, coconut essence, butter. So I'll start by blending the desiccated coconuts in a spice blender until very fine and smooth. I'll now transfer it into a bowl. And to it I'll add 1 cup of water. I'll give it a quick stir. Next, I'll strain to get rid of any leftover particles. You can also use fresh coconuts for this recipe. Next, to a large bowl, I'll add the milk powder. And I'll add 1 cup of water and half a cup of condensed milk. I'll also add a 1/4 teaspoon of coconut essence and then mix it up. And at this point it's too thick, so I've added another 1 cup of water and mix it up again. I'll now transfer it into a plain plastic cups. And freeze it for about 7 to 8 hours or overnight. Next, for the custard, I'll add half a cup of custard powder to a large bowl and I'll be mixing it with 1 cup of water. So I'll mix it very well to combine. Next, to another saucepan, I'll be boiling 1 cup of water and to it I'll add the custard mixture and I'll be cooking it on a low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes whilst stirring. So I've added in 1 cup of water because it was very thick, and to it I'll add 1 tablespoon of butter. I'll mix it very well. Next, in a large bowl, I've added in 1 cup of milk powder and to it I've added 1 cup of water and half a cup of condensed milk. I'll mix it very well. Next, I'll add in half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it again. And I'll pour in the custard mixture. So I'll mix it very well until it's nice and smooth. I'll now transfer it into my plain plastic cups. And I'll be freezing it for about 8 hours or overnight. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. And don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, share and comment. And at this point, our coconut Abele walls and custard Abele walls is all done, looking delicious. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and you give it a try. And this is how it looks, so delicious. Just look at it. It's nice and creamy and it tastes so good. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.